everybody, it's Coach Locke, and our game today is going to be called Easter Money. So we have a bunch of our Easter eggs left over from Easter yesterday. So what we've done is we've taken our eggs and we've put inside, each egg has either a quarter, a nickel, a penny, or a dime. I'm going to assign, Avery's going to be playing for the quarters, and Pace is going to be playing for the pennies. They don't know which is inside. Now, each person is going to start behind their line. This is Avery's line right here. This is Pace's line. I'm going to put the basket is going to be right here. On go, both players are going to run to the basket. They're going to grab their egg. They're going to open their egg to look and see what's inside. If Avery, since she's playing for the quarters team, if she has a quarter, she's going to put one quarter in one of her circles. Pace, since he's playing for the pennies team, if he finds a penny, he's going to put one penny in his circle. If they find something that is not one of what their team is playing for, then they have to run and put it back. The first person that finds 3 of their coins and puts it correctly in their circle is the winner of the game. Now, to add a little extra excitement, one egg has $1 inside. If you get the $1, then you automatically win. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Oh, Avery would like me to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you like our game. Thank you. All right, on your mark, get set, go. So both players are going to run back to their egg. They're looking to see what they have. And Pace found a penny, so he's going to put one of his pennies in the circle. They have to run back, open up their egg, see what they have. Oh, Lucky Ducky's found another penny. Avery's opening up her, nobody has found our special lucky dollar just yet. And no pennies, so far Pace has 2 pennies. And Avery just found her first quarter, so now we've got
and Pace
2.
has finished the game.
All right, so Pace has now found 3 pennies. So Pace has won that game. Nobody found our lucky dollar, but we're gonna get going and we're gonna play a couple more rounds. So hope you like the game. Don't forget, subscribe if you like it. Bye.